Today, we are going to learn how to open and close a jump ring. So this is a 6mm jump ring. The tools that I need to open and close this ring are 2 pairs of flat nose or chain nose pliers. These are flat nose pliers, and these are chain nose pliers. They have a pointy tip. You can use any combination of the two. You just want to make sure that the inside of your pliers is flat. You're going to grasp your jump ring with your pliers on either side of that opening. And then you're going to brush the ends past each other to open it. And this is when you would link on whatever you wanted, like this charm. I will put my charm on, and to close the jump ring, I'm going to do the same method. I'm going to push those ends back and forth towards each other. And now I have a closed jump ring. It's really important when opening and closing jump rings to brush the ends back and forth past each other. That makes sure to keep the jump ring in a round shape. You do not want to pull the jump ring open like this. That will deform the shape. By brushing the ends past each other, we have a nice round jump ring.